Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm excited to go through our second Boxycharm by Ipsy, and this is the one for March. If you are not familiar with Boxycharm by Ipsy, it's an additional subscription to the Ipsy family. The Ipsy Glam Bag is another one. It's a lesser expensive one you can get, and you can check out my videos on that one. But for the Boxycharm, it's going to be only full-size products, and it's going to be 5 full-size products at $30 a month. After you go through your picks for the month, you can add additional items. They start at $3.50 and they go from $3.50 to, I want to say, 5 or 8, and then up to 20 something, and those are like tools and things that are more high-end and expensive. So I did add a couple of $3.50 items in here, but mostly this is just my normal box. So let's get it open and see what's inside. I am a little bit late getting to this video. I've been sick. I've mentioned on the last few videos just because I'm doing everything kind of on one day today. I have had the flu, I've got a sinus infection, my voice is all kinds of fun, but I am feeling enough better today to get some videos to you guys and show you what's in this month's subscriptions. So I'm excited for this one. Let's check and see. It does have our Boxycharm by Ipsy pamphlet. And sometimes it has what's in your box and sometimes it doesn't. So we'll check and see if the things that are in here are what's in our box. Otherwise, we'll just do the best we can. I don't remember everything I picked, so let's check through. Now, the nice thing about the Boxycharm, they started me off with 2 items that everybody was going to get, or at least that I got, that were chosen for me. And then I got to select the other items that are in my box. So first I'm going to show you just the little add-ons that I did. I got my sister and I these little bitty Benefit eyebrow ones. These are tiny, but you don't need a big one. These are just little samples. A little eyebrow filler inner wand. I got a couple of different colors because I wasn't quite sure if the darker or the lighter color was going to work. So between the 2 of us, I imagine we'll get to use both of those. But those are my 2 add-ons. Everything else in the box is going to be either what I picked or what Ipsy picked for me. The first thing that Ipsy picked for me, oops, about to lose my lid. The first thing that Ipsy picked for me is a Wonder Beauty palette. And this is an eyeshadow palette. Trailblazer is the name of this palette. And it has little tape stickers on it. So let's open it up and see what this one looks like. That tape did not want to let go. All right. It's a pretty kind of blush pink color. And this is beautiful. It's got greens and mauves and chocolate brown and some shimmers in there. I'm not going to swatch this one because I have another palette very, very similar to this one. I might gift this one. But really pretty colors. It looks like you have a shimmer and a matte in each kind of little category. Easily mixed and matched. Those are really pretty. I love the green ones especially. Those are beautiful. I will post what the value of this box is, not including the add-ons. And I want to say, I think it was like $2.64 for the $30 that this box costs. I mean, come on. The next thing that they picked for me was an Elemis Peptide Eye Recovery Cream. I think I have bought this as an add-on myself before, but they sent me this one. So we have a little Elemis eye product. Yep, I do have the same one. So got an extra. Actually, I think I gave the other one to my sister because I had another eye cream I was using. So now we both will have one. Very nice, and I like that. The next thing we have in here is an Avant product, and this is eye restoring pads for under your eyes. So really nice. I love Avant products. My favorite eye cream ever is an Avant product, and I think I got it when Ipsy was before Boxycharm and Ipsy merged. I got it in a Boxycharm box, and the full size of it is like $100 and something, and I just can't, I can't do that. But I could buy the little tube of it for like $10 or $15, which I've been tempted to do just from like off somebody else's site, off Mercari or Poshmark or something. But I'm excited to have another eye product from Avant. So very nice. I will say Avant seems to be, even though they're really, really good products, they seem to be a product that is kind of made with subscription boxes in mind. You're going to find that with some of the products, not everything, but a lot of subscription products will have a super expensive product that you really can't buy outside of this manufacturer's website or from somebody selling it who got it in a box. So that tells me it's kind of manufactured for subscriptions, and it does help boost the value of the box. But again, Avant, I love their products, but it is, I believe, a subscription product, if that makes sense. Subscription box product. The next thing we have in here is a hydrating toner from First Aid Beauty, and that is a big bottle of it. That's going to last me a while. This is it has squalene and oats, or squalene and oats, and this is safe for sensitive skin, so very nice. I like me a good toner. And I want to say the very last thing in here is a Riddle, and I cannot remember what this one is. A roll-on fragrance, and it's in the Voyeur fragrance. And I can't remember what it said this fragrance was, but this is from Riddle, and it's just a nice little glass bottle, and it's a roll-on. Oh, that is super coconutty. This has very strong suntan lotion vibes. I'm not sure I really want to smell that coconutty, but it is a nice coconutty fragrance. This would be great for a summer beach vacation, going to the pool, just smelling like coconut, even if you're not wearing that in your sundown lotion. Really nice little fragrance. So that is our box this month. So for this one, again, we got First Aid Beauty, we got a Wonder Palette, some Elemis, and a perfume. And I like that box. $30, you can't go wrong. If you want to get your own subscription, I'll have a code for you in the description box below. For today, I hope you guys have a great one. If you haven't already, please hit subscribe, hit the like button, hit notifications bell, share my channel with your friends and family who you think might also like the content. But most of all, have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.